Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie with CoinCasso, and in this video, we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay up to date and informed on everything going on in cryptocurrency. We saw huge movement in the cryptocurrency space, especially Bitcoin, jumping from $7,000 to $7,500 in a matter of 1 hour. Let's jump into this first article and find out why. This first article is titled Bitcoin Rallies 10% Ahead of CME April Futures Expiration. Bitcoin price spiked to a new monthly high of over $7,725. The rally comes on the day before the expiration of the CME April Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin traders view Friday's expiration as a primary catalyst for Thursday's rally. There's a general expectation for pickup in volatility, but Bitcoin was primed for a move given the recent consolidation. Over $68 million worth of contracts were liquidated on BitMEX Thursday morning. According to data from Skew, the futures open interest is still recovering from a 50% plunge at the end of Q1 2020. Bitcoin's performance during a period of macroeconomic instability may be underwhelming for some investors, but Thursday's price action marks an over 100% recovery from Bitcoin's plunge at the end of Q1 2020. Thanks to Bitcoin's strong macro fundamentals, we're seeing buying interest coming back. Traditional markets also rallied on Thursday morning, with the S&P 500 up almost 2% at the time of publication. As traders have been closely monitoring stocks, the push higher in U.S. equities today may share some responsibility for the jump in Bitcoin's price. So basically, futures are people guessing what the price is going to be and betting on that in the stock market, or in this case, on BitMEX. Because all those contracts expired, they need to create new contracts for new future prices, which allowed Bitcoin to just soar straight up. I'd really like to see Bitcoin hold up here for a little while and then continue to go higher. We might see a little bit of slump in the next day or two, but I think we're on the right path in the upwards direction. This next article is titled, New App Lets Coronavirus Hit Businesses Take Crypto Payments for Zoom Calls. As the coronavirus pandemic makes it harder for businesses to rake in any income, a new app is offering users a way to earn cryptocurrency through Zoom, the popular video conferencing software. It's called Smartsessions. The Ethereum-based crypto paywall developed by 2Key New Economics allows firms and solo entrepreneurs to take advantage of crypto payments when offering services through Zoom. The company told CoinDesk in an email the solution would help people pushed out of their normal premises, for example, teachers of activities such as yoga, advisors, or mentors, a way to offer video sessions and still receive payments. Smartsessions utilizes the Ethereum network and smart contracts via 2Key's existing SmartLink platform to create a number of automated and self-managed features. After a session is set up in the app, it generates a personalized Zoom link and sends it out to the target audience. Processing payments automatically, session hosts can also view metrics for data such as ticket sales and invite views. Tickets for Zoom sessions can currently be purchased with Ethereum's native cryptocurrency Ether. 2Key said automated swaps between Ether and DIA, Tether, also known as USDT, and True USDT are coming very soon via Crypto Liquidity Network. The other cryptocurrency options that are stated will be available next quarter. I know this entire pandemic has caused a lot of issues in the entire global economy, but it's allowing people to come up with new ideas to survive through this entire crisis, allowing people to work from home, create new opportunities by hosting a yoga class online through your webcam. People at home can go to your business virtually. Fantastic idea. I 100% approve. Let's get on to the next article, which is titled, How a Crypto Guru Shaped Harvard's Roadmap for Reopening the U.S. Economy. An intellectual firebrand of Ethereum community has played a key role in creating an action plan for fighting the COVID-19 pandemic, published this week by Harvard University. Glenn Whale, founder of Radical Change Foundation and research for Microsoft, collaborated with Harvard professor Daniel Allen and other experts to write The Roadmap to Pandemic Resilience. The 56-page document charts a course for scaling up testing, tracing, and supported isolation in a way that protects health while preventing permanent injury to regular people's livelihoods. In public health, you have a lot of experts doing their thing, but not really working in an integrated way with other people to come up with what policy framework should be. I felt the same way about the economy. That was a quote by Glenn Whale. Now, this article is super long and really in-depth and goes into the topics that they discuss in their future plan. What I'd like to do is just cover the top points, and then I'm going to link the article down below so you can give it a full read. This first section is titled War Effort. It basically goes over the concept of fighting an epidemic like this as an actual war effort, that we need to mobilize, that having a lot of centralization is not a big focus of the movement, and that everyone needs to work together to contain the situation. Whale said he hopes authorities will realize that such a model can only work if it blends private entities with different levels of government, rather than attempting to beat COVID-19 with a command and control operation out of the federal government alone. They go over Taiwan. Before the coronavirus was designated a pandemic, Whale had started getting interest in Taiwan's success. He and virtual reality pioneer Jerome Lanier wrote a piece on how the island's nation hacked culture was marshaled into creating applications that shared data about the crisis in a way that made people better prepared and less prone to panic. They also go into how technologies can be used to help fight the pandemic and the economics of it, the costs of it, and how it would prevent future economic collapses. Their entire paper is actually posted in this article titled Roadmap to Pandemic Resilience. It's a 56-page report, so if you really want to know what they're talking about, this is going to be your number one resource. This is why we have really smart people on this planet. These people put their minds together and create these amazing strategies to actually benefit the world. I love seeing people use their brain to help mankind. That's it for the news, guys. I hope you guys feel informed now. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and join us again tomorrow when we go over the top cryptocurrency prices as well as the top news articles written in the last 24 hours. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.